Hello, I have a 2018 Honda Civic here. We're going to replace the engine air filter. This right here, bought this off of Amazon. Went to the dealership the other day. They wanted to charge us $50 more to, I think it was $55 to replace this. And I'm going to show you how to do it in less than 5 minutes. And you can get this on Amazon for less than $15. So hopefully save you some money. First thing you will need to do is pop the hood of the car, and that's right in here by the driver's side foot. So you just pull on that and your hood will unlatch. Okay, once your hood is loosened, next thing you're going to do is you're going to reach in. It's just up and to the left of the Honda emblem. There's a little lever that's on the bottom. So you probably want to reach in with one hand, push that lever over, and then you can lift with the other hand. So that's going to unlock your hood. Okay, now this is the 1.5 liter Honda Civic engine. They also make a 2.0, a 2.0 liter, a 2 liter, 2.0 liter. I don't know. They make a 2 liter. This is not it. This is the 1.5 liter. And on the 1.5 liter, here is your air filter. So you will need a screwdriver, Phillips heads. You're going to have to take this screw out, this screw out, this screw out, and then there's one right there. So 4 screws. You're going to take it out. Really easy. Alright, so those screws, they won't come all the way out, so you can just loosen them, and you don't have to worry about losing them. So once you get them all loose, just lift up on there, and there you see your air filter. So we're going to take that one out and put the new one in. So you will notice that there is a little extra black area, vacant area on this side. That is the way it's going to go in your car. So we'll go over here and show you. So if you see that one, it's got the extra area on the left side. So we're just going to pull that one out, drop this one in, screw the screws back in, and then we'll be done. Alright, so there we go. That was easy. There's the old one. You just throw it away. Look at all that. Shoo-wee. So yeah, so this filter helps give the engine good clean air. So air comes in from the road and environment into there, runs it down under the filter, comes through the filter and goes into your engine. It's very important that your engine has good clean air. And so there we go. They recommend changing these every 12,000 miles, I believe. So there you go. You can do it yourself, save you some money. Now the 2 liters, very similar. Just the filter shape a little different. So it has a corner that's kind of, it's got an angle here. So I'll put the link down into the description below for each of the filters. And I hope you all like this video, and if it helped you out, give us a thumbs up, please. Subscribe. More videos coming soon. Hopefully save you some money. Thanks. Bye.